Not wash.
Okay, no, this is beautiful. No, I like it.
You want to eat? This one is mine.
Madami pa daw. So, second harvest to for this season. Pasensya na nag-uungo ko. Allergy rhinitis na ko, grabe. Kaduhan ako nagtikok tambal. But still, grabe. Grabe ang atchi. Sipon. Bloated ang eyes. So this is my lunch. Hindi ako kumain ng rice o ano. Yung laki, oh. Hardship.